Every drone pilot crashes. It's whether he gets the shot before he crashes all the time.
How are things going today, Spencer?
Things are great. Things are good.
Boy, are they great.
Have a look around, man.
Yeah, it's sick. Living the slack life. That's what it's all about right now.
Ask him what he did last week.
Oh man.
What did you do last week?
Why do we have to talk about last week?
We want to know. We want to know. What did you do last week?
Last week I accomplished a pretty sweet goal of mine for the summer in Squamish and free soloed 100 pitches in 6 hours. 5.7 to 5.11C. And yeah, so that was pretty sweet. Yeah.
That's crazy, man. That's crazy. Magic just happened here. The Brandywine rope swing just happened for the first time. It was absolutely perfect. 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 I'm so excited now. Brilliant.
Just
this little moment of like, really, yeah, do it, and just let go, and just like, boom, and you have this nice like stomach, whoop, it goes up, and you just let go, and then you're just down there.
So Spencer called me this week and he said they're going out again. So of course I came, and I'm really glad I did because today was an epic day. We set up a rope swing here at Brandywine Falls, and Johannes sent it. He went for it, first guy to go. It was incredible. I've never seen something like that before up close. Here we are getting ready to do the rope swing again today, except with a little bit of a twist, and it's gonna be pretty crazy, so.
Him just hanging with the waterfall?
Yeah.
Madness. There was a raft going down the waterfall with Spencer in it. Luckily he was attached. It's only 10 o'clock. What are they?
I think I got a stroke vertical. No, I didn't. It's awesome. That was so cool. It all happened really fast. Like, I'd like to do it again.
Yeah, it's getting pretty intense out here at Brandywine Falls, and we're getting it done. Getting it done.
But you might have to watch the film in order to see that. So go to leftcoast.co and follow the email updates for all these projects. Go to receive updates and follow, so that way you can follow and get updates. Of course, why else would you do that? But this film's gonna be epic. I'm really stoked right now, so another good day of shooting. Life on the left coast.